Hello here, welcome to my one or more new videos. In this video, we are going to use the latest total stations of TOPCON series, that is OS-200 series. In this video, we are going to learn how to use initially in this latest version of TOPCON OS series, and also use a magnetic job, create a job in a magnetic field. Okay, let's start this video. First we have to press the buttons, the power buttons to on. Okay, make sure you have to fix your battery or not. There is the battery portions there, you have to fix there. This is the initial portions of well openings. Just go back, and this is the magnetic field. On the magnetic fields, if you are not in a magnetic field, then this kind of interface is shown. Then what we have to do, just we have to press PGR. There is the PGR buttons. Press PGR, and now we are going to create the job in this. Just go to the job. Okay, and new job, and like that. And then you have to create the name first. You have to create the name, just clear, like E R dot dot X I N G H A J Y T. Okay, just we have to write the name as you like. Okay, and press the tick mark buttons, and then you have to create the name. You have to also add the name, like here, anything you have to add. Okay, in the command, if you have any command, then add here, and just press the next. Okay, and again press the coordinate system, again press next. And if you, where this is the locations where you have to save, if you are to want to save in a pen drive, then you can save. Otherwise it's okay, it's already saved in a ROM, device, program, and magnet. Under the magnetic field, just press next. If you have to change the unit, angle, coordinate systems like northing, easting, and something like that, you have to change, then you can change. Otherwise press the next. Just you have to also chance to change the height, like NEZ, ENZ, XYZ, different times. Okay, just press next, and press the, there is the homes buttons. Okay, just press it. Okay, it's created. Yes, look, this is your earring JYT. This is the, you have to, in this way you have to create the job. Hope you have to get that points. In the next video we are going to transfer the excel file, in this magnetic field. In this job there is no points. Okay, there is the empty. But in the next video I'm going to show how to import the points from excel sheet. Okay, thank you for watching these videos. If you have any query, then just message me, comments. I will make the video on related to that's your problem. Okay, thank you.